Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Belkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 1. Students, today we will learn the concept heavy and light. Heavy means we have to put more energy to carry it. Okay, this is called heavy. And light means very lightweight. Look, this pencil is very light, we can easily hold it. Okay, eraser is very light. But if you find this cylinder, this is what a cylinder, can you easily hold it? Can you easily carry it? No. So this is a heavy object. Understood? Heavy. But your water bottle, you can easily carry your water bottle with you. So this will be light object. Compare it in your school bag and your water bottle. Your school bag is little heavy. Why? Because it has books. It has your books, right? So it will be a heavy. But when you take your compass box, it is light than your school bag. Yes. So understood, students? Heavy and light. Heavy means we have to put more energy to catch it. So this will be a heavy object. So what is the activity here? Color the box below the heavy object. So where we will color this cylinder. Okay. So this will be the heavy object. Look, between this pomegranate and this feather. Now which is heavy here? Both are very small. Okay. We can take a pomegranate in one hand. We can take a feather in one hand. But which is heavy now? Yes, this pomegranate is heavy than this feather, because this feather will very light. But if we take this pomegranate and this pumpkin, then which is heavy? Yes, this pumpkin will be heavy than this pomegranate. Understood, student? We have to compare things together. Now color the object below the light object. Now here look, here a ball and a balloon. Now tell me which is heavy. Understood, student, one thing. Always a bigger object is not heavy. Sometimes a bigger object will light also. Okay, understood. Now look, the balloon is big than this ball. But which is heavy here? This ball. This is a wool ball. Okay, this is heavy. And the balloon is very light. Okay. So, my mistake. We have to color the box under light object. So which is light? This balloon is light. So we will color this. Okay. Are the bigger object always heavier? Tell me, always heavier? No. Okay. So students, this concept was heavy and light. Now we will learn the another one, that is near and far. Near and far. Near. What is near and what is far? Near means, now look, you can see this girl. Now she has two things, a car, two toys, a car and a doll. So which is near to her? Near means अपने पास होना. Near means pass and far means away. Far means what? Away. Okay, so which is near here? A car. A car is near to this girl. And which is far? A doll is far to this girl. Now look, the what is near Rama and the what is far from Rama? The car. Right? The car is near Rama and the doll is far from Rama. Understood? Now who is the nearest to the well? Look at this picture. This is well, right? Who is the nearest to the well? This lady. This lady is near to the well. And who is far from the well? Who goes? Look, this dog. This dog is far from the well, or you can take this pot. Pot is near to the well and this dog is far from the well. Right? Understood, students? The concept near and far. Students, you have to do practice of this concept in your home. Happy learning, student. Thank you so much.